everyone, we're going to find the maximum and minimum values for y equals the square root of 1 plus cosine of x plus the square root of 1 minus cosine of x, and then that whole thing is squared. Basically, it has this form of this one right here, a perfect square trinomial. We have a plus b squared. So this is my a. My a is square root of 1 plus cosine of x, and my b is square root of 1 minus cosine of x. So basically using this formula of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, what we're going to do is square the a, so that just gives you 1 plus cosine of x. Let's go ahead and do the b part first. Square the b, that's going to give you 1 minus cosine of x plus 2ab. So 2 times square root, I'm going to put it all together. Since they're both the same root, square root, we can put this together. 1 plus cosine of x times 1 minus cosine of x. All right, let's see what happens here. The cosines cancel. So we're going to have 2 plus, now for this piece, this is this formula here, your difference of squares. So that's going to be 1 minus, let me put a 2 in front, 1 minus cosine squared of x. Your Pythagorean identities state that this is going to equal, and I'll put y here, 2 plus 2 times square root of sine squared of x. All right, so basically we can take out that radical as long as we write it this way. We're going to write this as y equals 2 plus 2 absolute value of sine of x. All right, now that that's all simplified, we're going to find the maximum and minimum values of this. So let's do that. We have y equals 2 plus 2 times absolute value of sine of x. All right, and we know that sine of x is less than or equal to 1, but greater than or equal to 1. So basically, if we do absolute value of sine of x, so if you do absolute value of, say, x, that means it's less than or equal to 1. All right, that by definition, that means x is less than or equal to 1, but greater than or equal to negative 1. So I'm going to write it this way, but I'm going to leave it with the 0. So this means 0 is less than or equal to absolute value of sine of x. And then write my 1 here. Same thing as this, but I just put that 0 there. Now what do we need? We need a 2. So multiply everything through. We're trying to get this inner part to equal this. So let's multiply everything through by 2. That's going to give me 0 is less than or equal to absolute value of sine of x times 2 is less than or equal to 2. And the only thing else we have to do is add this 2. So add 2 here, add 2 here, add 2 here. This gives you 2 is less than or equal to 2 plus 2 times absolute value of sine of x, which is less than or equal than 4. So basically, this is your maximum value, and this one is your minimum value. Therefore, you can write max is 4, and min is 2. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.